Hello everyone, welcome to Auto Info channel. As before, the most powerful Toyota Tacoma is offered only as an off-road focused pickup truck with 33-inch tires, specially developed suspension and 2-inch high ground clearance. But what if you really want your truck to be quick but don't need off-road capabilities? More than 400 horsepower and 500 pound-feet of torque, sports tires, lower suspension, a special body kit with aggressive bumpers, everything from Toyota's Gazoo Racing department. In result, a new model GR Tacoma, or at least Toyota Tacoma GR Sport. Why not? The Shelby F-150 Super Snake is a good example of that. It does make sense. We have illustrated how it could look like with different colors. Please take a look and let us know if you like such a crazy idea. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next videos.